Hi, Papa. We decided we'd try something new today. So far, he seems to like it. I liked it when he spit up all over the floor. There he goes again. There's lots of spit up for everybody. Come on, Cooper. Can you bounce? Use your feet, buddy. There you go. There you go. You send Smiley behind you. We're going to spit up some more. Yeah, that's why we have the burp cloth there, huh? Yeah. Look how fun that is. Look how fun that is. Papa, we had to stuff a blanket behind him so he wouldn't flop over. Looks like soon I need to put the camera down and clean up all that spit up, huh? I wonder if that seat thing's detachable to go through the wash. I don't remember now. Anyway, so here's Clover. And we're going to help Papa. Look how helpful we are. Cooper, can you... There you go. Can you bounce? Can you bounce, Cooper? There you go. There you go. You kick those feet? Are you going to the bathroom? There you go. There you go. Look how fun that is. Look how fun that is. Whee! Say whee! There you go. Say bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Look, it's the Beagles. Say hello, Sister Molly. Hey, Sister Molly. Come play with me. Cooper, can you turn back around? Can you turn around? Mr. Cooper. Hi. Hey, Cooper. Hey, bouncy, bouncy. There you go. Gotta move those feet. Okay, honey. This is as exciting as it gets here. Oh, but Clover needs to scratch herself for you. I'm gonna turn Cooper around and clean up some of that spit up. We love you and miss you.